Okay, so this is the brown brick logo I've come up with. I've decided to design the logo in Illustrator because Illustrator works in vector format. And the brilliant thing about vector format is that you can import it into all the Adobe products, such as Photoshop and InDesign, and you can resize it up, you can shrink it down, you can stretch it out, you do what you want to it, and it always retains the quality. Obviously, if you distort it, it won't look the same, but it'll still have that sharpness and sort of clarity, which you can see here. No rough edges, it's very sharp, very clean. So that's why I decided to use Illustrator. Basically, set up a new page and set it to CMYK because this is going to be the print version of the logo. Obviously, the one for the web is going to be RGB. Print isn't CMYK, and then the screen display is an RGB. That's the reason for that. And basically, I'm not great with typography. It's something that I want to sort of develop my skills in at a later date. But one of my favourite fonts is Helvetica. So I thought, well, I'll give it a go with Helvetica, and it actually came out really well. Sort of like Helvetica because it's just a very aesthetically pleasing font, and it's one that's very popular and used throughout print. So basically, just use the text tool to type out the words brown brick, and then I reduced the letter spacing to -75, and that just basically shifts the letters together, so the gaps you can see are quite narrow between each letter, and it just makes it look better, basically, I think, and just makes it look more, a really nice print ready font. And then I sort of just coloured it, used the light shade of brown on the word brown here, and the dark shade of brown on the word brick. This looks really good on white, and that obviously be used in the CV. When I use it for Webdome and business card, which are going to be primarily brown, I'm going to have to actually invert out the colours. So brown will be in white, the word brown will be in white, and the word brick will be in this sort of lighter shade of brown here, so it'll sit nicely on the dark brown background. So basically, once it's finished, I just saved it as a vector file, a .ai file, which is the sort of format that Adobe Illustrator works in, and also an EPS as well. Also export it in PDF to see what it looks like in print, and it looked really good. So now I can go ahead and use this logo across my other materials just by importing it.